Alright, we're back. Welcome to Cabin Solitude. I'm Richard and I've got Liam over here. Come here, Liam. Liam and I come out to try out an Alaskan chainsaw mill. Problem we've had out here is we've got plenty of lumber. We just don't have ways to move it off these hillsides up to where we can work on it. So we decided to get a chainsaw mill, which we can go right to where the tree is, work on it on there, and then just carry the planks out or whatever we cut. So we're going to give it a try today. Say hi, Liam.
Hi.
So here we go. We're getting ready to get started.
It's another video here. This time we dragged a log and we almost got stuck. It's a big log, but that log right here, this is the log we're going to use today. And this log needs to be cleaned. We can't just use that one out of mud because we want that to be clean.
This is the one we're going to work on today. Okay, we got that cut off using the stock chain. Now I'm going to put on the ripping chain for milling. So as soon as I get that all swapped over, we'll get to work. Okay, I think we've got the saw adjusted and working right now. Just got to start it up, make sure the chain's adjusted properly, and then we can get going. sit on. Now we gotta adjust it for 1 inch, start again. All right, we got our first plank cut. Gave it a good try out. Made us a 1 inch thick. The logs, it's not the cleanest cuts, but it's, you know, that's why they call it rough cut lumber. And that's exactly how we were going to use it anyways. We got a late start today because we were waiting for the weather to get better, warmer. After 3 heart attacks, I don't do real good in cold weather. So that's why a lot of time I don't come out if it's raining or it's really cold. We waited until we knew it was going to be a temperature I could stand, which got us a really late start today. We used this chainsaw mill that I picked up on Amazon. It's not one of the brand names, but it does the job. And we got one plank done, and a top and a live edge top plank, or you know, whatever you want to call it. So now next time we come out here, we've got a log ready to go start on. We've got our adjustments already made, and we just start cutting lumber. We got that log, which I think if we roll over, it's a lot flatter on the other side, because it's too much arch on this side. But the other side, it looks like we turned it over, we can get a few boards out of it. We'll have to cut a good chunk on it to get rid of the curve in it, but we'll still get a couple boards out of it, at least 2 or 3. We'll just see how it goes. I haven't done this long enough to be a real good judge of how much I can get out of one. I've just watched them do it on TV or on YouTube a few times. Who really got me interested in this was originally Sean James on My Self-Reliance. He took and used it one time, and I thought, well, that's pretty neat. And then I discovered ringworm, and I started watching his YouTube channel, and that's all he does is chainsaw milling. And he's built a lot of good stuff out there, and he's still going on stuff. So, I mean, if he can do it, I can do it. I'm not going to be quite as full-time on it as he is, but when I'm out here for a weekend or something and I'm just sitting around, I can get out here and start cutting some logs. The whole reason I decided on a chainsaw mill was my property is a lot of downhill. It's really steep property, and I don't have anything that I can go down there and drag them out with. This one, this morning, it's over by my gate where the side-by-sides have been, you know, trespassing and going through my property. And it was a tree that had fallen down, and I left it there because I figured, okay, that'll put a stop to their coming through. Well, no, they come through with a chainsaw and cut it off and shoved it to the side. So the log was sitting there. I figured it's a good log, so I drug it over here to the cabin on the road here, because it was sitting right on the edge of the road. I won't get that lucky with the rest. I'll just have to go down to where they are and work on them on the spot where they're at. But I'm satisfied with what I did today. And, you know, I got out here, I got to try it out, I see what's involved, and I've got an idea what I need to do. So next time I come out, I'll have everything I need to do it properly, and hopefully a better guide system than nailing a board across the top. But it is what it is. If I can find an old ladder and build brackets for it, I could do that too, and it'd be a lot lighter than trying to haul this 2x8 around. But we'll see. Anyways, we're gonna wrap it up, get things loaded up, and head on back. I'll give you a report when we get back in. Alrighty, bye.